So we're going to show you how to wire up this board on the Yowza Miami. This one's already wired, so we'll show you what connections goes where. This is the diagram. So it basically gives you an idea of what goes where. And you can probably follow this diagram to help you out also. So we'll give you that. So we'll start from the left. These two connections here. Alright, so this one, the white and black. These two connections is for your resistance. So this is where those two wires that we just mentioned went to. It's a magnetic resistance, so when you put power to this right here, it will give you the resistance. These two wires here, this black one, as well as this white one right here, these two go all the way down to your power. So that's where those two wires are coming from. These two connections here are Murphy proof, and that's from this transformer right here. The other three is to your incline motor, right? And you come over here. This right here is for your incline sensor, right? This is what goes to your console. This large wire right here, large connector, and this right here is for your speed sensor or RPM sensor. So this connection, that's going to this speed sensor right here. Okay, and that's pretty much your control board on your Yowza Miami.